The egg of an ostrich is the largest of any living bird. The shell has a long history of use by humans as a container and for decorative artwork. The female common ostrich lays her eggs in a single communal nest, a simple pit 30 to 60 centimeters deep and 3 meters wide, scraped in the ground by the male. The dominant female lays her eggs first, and when it's time to cover them for incubation, she discards extra eggs from the weaker females, leaving about 20 in most cases. A female common ostrich can distinguish her own eggs from the others in a communal nest. Ostrich eggs are the largest of all eggs, though they are actually the smallest eggs relative to the size of the adult bird. On average, they are 15 centimeters long, 13 centimeters wide, and weigh 1.4 kilograms. That's over 20 times the weight of a chicken's egg, and only about 1 to 4% the size of the female. They are glossy, cream colored with thick shells marked by small pits. For the sake of comparison, I have with me a chicken egg and an ostrich egg which I bought from South Africa some years back. Ostrich egg on average is 20 times bigger than a chicken egg. However, ostrich eggs were not the largest eggs laid by a bird. That title goes to the now extinct elephant bird, a relative of the present-day ostrich, and other large flightless birds including rayas, cassowaries, and kiwis. Elephant birds lived on the island of Madagascar, but by perhaps 1000 to 1200 BC, they were extinct. Some of their eggshells survived, though, and they dwarf an ostrich egg, measuring 13 inches long and tipping the scale at around 10 kg. Strangely, DNA has proven that the elephant bird's closest relative is the diminutive kiwi.